Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky, man, whiskey and kicks.
All right, what we got here? Another pair, and I'm on to my joints. Nothing, no big introduction here.
Okay.
Back in this family again.
Yep.
I might end up with 25 pairs of Vomeros by the time I'm done.
I'll be honest, I almost bought a pair when I bought those.
Straight up.
Yeah, there's another pair in there that I got my eyes on. These are crazy.
These are the first Vomeros that I had my eye on ever.
These were the ones.
Yeah, these. And I just didn't pull the trigger, whatever, for whatever reason. But I was like, I got to go back and get those shorts. Amazing Vomero. Come on. What we doing? What we talking about?
Yeah, so we gotta talk about a lot on these.
So the colorway, yeah, they did a lot with the design.
The thing that makes these amazing are two things. One, what they did with the staining of the sole.
Yeah, buddy.
Is crazy.
Yeah, they did them joints.
So to stain the sole is crazy. And then to tie it all together with this light blue to make these go perfect with a pair of jeans. Like, what are you asking?
Look at my favorite Japanese denim, put them on. Come on, baby.
What are we talking about?
What are we talking about? Why are we even here right now? Why am I mic'd up? What are we talking about? The brown? Come on, man. I
actually tried to get Tiff to get a pair of Vomeros while we were in Major, and I was just telling her, like, yo, these are quite possibly the most comfortable things on the planet. I'm not even gonna front, son.
She didn't want to get them. She didn't like the.
No, she saw those, and she was like, "Well, I want those instead of." And I'm still gonna get her a pair.
She has to have.
She has to have a pair.
Every person that I care about should have a pair of these. Yeah, they're so comfortable.
Especially because I bought her this super dope Nike sweatsuit that she loves to travel in, and so these with that.
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
Yeah,
these are nuts. This tan, like we coming into summertime. Linen work with this?
Yes.
The linen work with this?
Very true, very true. Very true.
There, and there is a company that has some corduroy shorts.
Oh yeah, I know about that.
The short joints.
Yeah.
And I saw some.
What's a couple of my brands? I got a whole tab on my browser of my brands. Oh yeah, where I get my clothes from, and yeah, it's a couple of them that got some cord. They just so expensive, man. I was like, I don't know if I want to grab these joints or not, but they tough though.
I just saw a pair that was this color. It was like a creamish. So, this colorway is so tough, man.
Yeah, they crushed the. I mean, I fell in love with these when I first saw. I don't know why I didn't pull the trigger, but
yeah.
And Vomeros, the key with Vomeros though is that the dopest colorways. Most of the colorways are women's.
Absolutely.
Which means nothing to us at this point.
Yeah.
I learned from you with that, but you just got to think outside the box a little bit.
Yeah.
And I don't think I was there yet when I first saw these.
Yeah.
I'm like, they're women's, and I just didn't pull the trigger, but then finally.
See, for me, the ones that I loved the most that I wanted to get are women's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. That colorway is our women's.
Yep.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
No reason to go too crazy with these. We know what it's about.
I didn't peep the light blue, the jean blue Nike sign on the back.
On the back. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they did a good job.
You can't go wrong with these.
You can't go wrong.
You cannot go wrong with these.
But I'm gonna tell you something. I know I came on here and said otherwise. The P6000.
Yep.
Right there.
Yeah.
Bro. At first I was like, it's a little.
You said
different.
that? I did feel they. No,
right there. Son.
Right there.
Right there. The comfort is exactly.
And those are taking off too. Like I'm seeing them all over the place, and they're playing with the colorways and all that too. So.
Yep.
Brocky, keep talking about whiskey and kicks.